Hey guys, how you doing? It's Barb with Halfway to Sane. I'm going to go over a little bit over the Kohberger University of Idaho case about the judge and his retirement. So the judge who was set to oversee the Moscow murder trial of Brian Kohberger, before he approved its move to Boise, Idaho, plans to retire. Judge John Judge of Idaho's 2nd Judicial District in Latah County sent a signed letter last month notifying the state of his intent, a copy of which the Idaho statement obtained from the state court system. Judge submitted his retirement letter a month after he granted the venue change sought by Kohberger's defense. After the extensive contemplation, he said, "I have decided that it is time for me to retire." He wrote in the one-page letter that was dated October 4th, "It has been a journey of hard work, challenges, life lessons, sacrifice, joy, satisfaction, and sometimes frustration and heartbreak." Judge, who will turn 69 years old next month, referenced in the letter his 40-year legal career, which included 24 years as a lawyer before working as a judge for the last 16 years. He has been in his current district judge role for the past 6 years, which included about 15 months spent handling Kohberger's case. Judge announced his last day as January 17th, 2025. The 2nd Judicial District opening from Judge's departure will post to the Idaho Judicial Council vacancy page next week. That was last month. "I have done my best to follow the rule of law while never forgetting the importance of compassion and understanding of the people before me every day, their humanity and their struggles. I will miss what judges can do for the people, the communities we serve. It has been a privilege and honor to be a judge." Now, Kohberger is accused of the November 2026 fatal stabbing of 4 University of Idaho students at a house near campus in Moscow. The victims, if you don't know, were Kaylee Goncalves, Madison Mogen, Xander Knodel, and Ethan Chapman. Now, the judge first appeared in the national spotlight for Brian Kohberger's arraignment at Latah County Courthouse. Okay, I'm going to backtrack just a little bit here because I got interrupted. I'm sorry, guys. But the judge first appeared in the national spotlight for Brian Kohberger's arraignment at the Latah County Courthouse a week after a local grand jury indicted him. When Judge asked for Kohberger's plea to 4 counts of first-degree murder and 1 count of felony murder, Kohberger remained silent. He didn't say a word. Judge entered a not guilty plea on Kohberger's behalf, and it scheduled his trial for October of 2023. However, Judge later rescheduled Kohberger's trial to start in June 2025. In September, Judge granted the defense's request for a venue change out of Moscow based on its concerns over potential local juror bias because of the case's widespread publicity. Now, at a hearing in January over the issue, Judge called the choice probably professionally the most difficult decision he ever had to make. The small courthouse in Moscow presented safely and logistical challenges to hosting the trial. His decision, on top of the media coverage, has been sensationalized and prejudicial to Kohberger and threatened his right to a fair trial. I don't think it matters where the freaking trial is. Unless you live under a rock, you know about the case. So this crap over the prejudicial issues because of where it's held, I think is bullcrap. Judge's handling of the case, including his decision to move the trial, drew criticism from the family of at least one of the victims. On several occasions, the Goncalves family took issue with what they perceived as repeated delays to bringing the case to trial. Now, the family has felt that the judge favored the defense, and it was a common theme that whatever the defense wanted or needed, they got it. The judge knew Latah County could not handle this trial for safety reasons, not enough court clerks, logistics, and lacking space. Then why did we waste over a year in a county he knew was not going to handle the trial? Good point. This man could already be convicted or whatever's going to happen. They said the only good thing about this decision is that it will be the judge's last decision. Judge also serves as the appointed resource judge who reviews and approves spending of public funds in the capital murder case against Skylar Meade, which is also being defended by Ann Taylor, who is Kohberger's lead attorney. Meade's case is set for trial in February, which they likely require Judge's support role to be reassigned with his retirement. In his Kohberger venue change ruling, Judge chose not to continue on with the case and handed off selection of the trial location and, the judge reassignment to the Idaho Supreme Court. The justices selected Boise and Judge Stephen Hippler of Idaho's 4th District Judicial District in Ada County for Kohberger's high-profile case. Hippler reset the trial for later next summer in 2025, starting with jury selection on July 30th, 2025. So people, we need to be on it then. I believe the case is supposed to start in August, and it's supposed to run till I think November 7th, so that's quite a while. If you're looking for any more information on the case, go through my videos. I have things there about the parents of the victims. They all have GoFundMes going. They need all the help that they can get because they need to be at the trial. They're going to be out of state, out of the area, to attend this trial every single day for 4 months. They still need to pay their mortgages, rent at home, their utility bills, etc. And then they have to either pay for hotel stays or Airbnbs or whatever, however they're going to stay. That's another fee. It's like a double mortgage or a double, whatever you want to call it. Do me a favor, go back, look them up. Please, 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 if you can, just give a little bit. If you only have a little bit, if you can give more, that would be great. They need all the help they can get right now. But I am going to go ahead and sign off. If you guys have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Hit that thumbs up button and that notification bell so you know the next time that I upload a video. Till then, guys, peace.